Hi everyone, this is Dina. I recently purchased the boAt Airdopes 141. I've been using them for a few weeks now. Let me tell you more about it. One of the major highlights of these Airdopes is the aesthetically pleasing design and its 60 grams lightweight. When it comes to sound, these Airdopes deliver a top-notch sound owing to the dynamic 8mm drivers. The audio thus delivered is thumping, clear and with right bass. Another major highlight of these Airdopes is an amazingly battery backup. After one full charge, the Airdopes provide 42-hour battery life. These Airdopes are also equipped with a Beast mode for amazing real-time audio and low latency experience. Each earbud is equipped with an ENx, that is Environmental Noise Cancellation feature. It makes the calling experience on these buds a flawless experience. Other than that, the buds are rated IPX4 for water resistance and have a one-touch voice assistant feature. Other music and calling functions can also be achieved via easy touch controls. Its Insta Wake and Pair feature allows the buds to connect with the device immediately as you take them out of the case. These buds are available in multiple color variants such as bold black, cider cyan, pure white, active black and white purity. These boAt Airdopes 141 have some amazing features and are apt for daily use.